We're gonna put a little bit of boom boom juice inside this here iron. That's what it was meant for, right? Oh god. Is it going in?
It's going in.
Oh god. This whole table is gonna be on fire, isn't it?
Yeah.
Son of a... More?
No, that's good.
You said more, right?
Yeah, sure, whatever. And there you go.
Ready to party. Alright, time for the incendiary into the little iron full of boom boom juice. Iron like flamethrower. Iron flamethrower? Dang it. Hopefully there's a fireball. It's on fire! Help me, Tom Cruise!